morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday morning. I'm going to call this Fabulous Friday. Yes. Last night I prepared bacon and mushroom pasta. I sourced my shiitake mushrooms from Corey, whose establishment is up in Auburn, California, and I bought them at the Yuba City Certified Farmers Market last Saturday. Very beautiful shiitakes. One thing about shiitakes, they shrink a little bit when you cook, so you have to judge for that. The bacon, I didn't crisp it up like I normally do for Robin because I wanted it just a little more on the lip side. It was a good meal. It's simple. You can have fun with it. I added some leftover baby bok choy that I had from the week. Just added a little extra something. Yes, the recipe should be hitting the group about 8:30. I pre-posted it last night. Yes, today I am doing Thai basil beef / elk wraps. Yes, let's get to it. Dutch oven is out. Flour tortillas. Here's my elk hamburger. When this elk was ground, the butcher added some not so or leanish actual beef hamburger to this. So there is a little bit of fat. So it's not really lean. We got good old garlic, ginger, some chili sauce, chili garlic sauce, some tamari, some Chinese 5-spice, some peanuts for garnish, and there's the Thai basil that I purchased last Saturday. I've been keeping it alive in a good old glass of water, and I kept it alive so well it bloomed. So yes, there's a lot of this Thai basil going to be in this. It's actually used as a garnish in the wrap. An English cucumber, which I will kind of dice up. It goes in the wrap. And some green onions. These also came from the farmer's market last Saturday, and they have just beautifully stayed very good throughout the week. That's the second bunch I bought. So all these goodies, some kosher salt, some black pepper. Yeah, good stuff. So on this fabulous Friday, what are you doing? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. The book is doing well. Do you have your copy yet of Recipes Are Just Guidelines? Remember, it's on PayPal. It's on Amazon. And it's also on Barnes & Noble. Check out the links. All right. On this fabulous Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.